What a beautiful day. We're trying something new. Bison Burgers. For the bison. Time to pull everything off the grill and go in and eat dinner. And then, man, chill out tonight. Have a nice, relaxing night. Hell yeah. Time to go in and devour this. I've got a couple bison burgers for me, the old lady, and maybe one of the boys, and the rest are just basic burgers with cheese. Boom. Just pulled them off. Still sizzling. So grab yourself a beer. Get yourself a bison burger if you can get access to it. It's pretty good, decent. In all honesty, it didn't taste much different than a decent grass-fed beef, ground beef, you know? So for the extra few dollars a pound, I would just stick with a good ground beef that of your favorite choice. So I think I can get grass-fed, ground beef, Angus, whatever you want. Usually, typically about $6 a pound, ground up. Make your own patties, and that is excellent. You can even go with like your 85-15 ratio. That's a decent, and I think it really comes down to your seasoning, man. You have a good seasoning and your burger comes out excellent. I mean, if you have one of those 73-27 burgers, they're gonna shrink up a lot. You're gonna have a lot of flames from the grill. I chose to cook on propane because I worked all day and I got home and had to go to the store to buy the food, and then it's just late. Otherwise, it would have been on the kettle. Other than that, decent burger, but save your money. It's no different than your basic burger. It wasn't gamey or anything, so not too bad. There's a little picture of the first bite. Anyway, guys, enjoy the day, the summer, the weather. Get outside and do something.